today I am going to show you how to draw Fat Cat. So we're going to draw his head. So we're going to draw a floor that he can sit on. So we draw a line like this, then we leave a space here, then another line, space, and another line. Now we are going to draw the feet. We're going to draw one letter U and another letter U. Now we're going to draw the body. And we want to make it fat, so let's make it as fat as we can. We go one, like this, so right here, and there. And now we're going to make a really long U. And now let's make the tail. So we're gonna make the tail fat too. He's completely fat. Now we're going to draw the head. So let's draw a C and a V. A line, a V, a C. Now I'm going to draw a low letter O and another letter O and color them in. Now I'm going to draw his smile like this and this. And now I'm going to draw his nose. Pretty easy. And now let's draw the inside of the ears, which are two triangles. 1, 2. And now let's make some arms. And for this cat, let's make him have a shirt. So we make one arm and a sleeve. One arm and another sleeve. Now let's make his shirt go like this and this. Now let's write something on his shirt. You can write whatever you want on his shirt. What I'm going to write is, I love pizza. And now let's draw a pizza. We draw an oval like this. And now a C like this. Another C like this. And another C. Now let's draw some pepperoni and cheese. 1 pepperoni, 2 pepperoni, 3 pepperoni. And for the cheese, we draw 1, 2, 3. And let's make him actually holding a pizza, because it says, I love pizza. So so you can just copy this pizza that we made here. So I'm gonna draw an oval like this, a C, another C, and another C. Now for the pepperoni, 1, 2, 3, and cheese, 1, 2, 3. Done. And now we're going to draw some stripes for our fat cat. We draw 1, 2, 3, and we can color that in. We're going to draw another stripe like this. 1, 2, 3, and we can color that in. And now I colored my cat, and he looks better than ever. And you can color him how you like at home. Bye.